Refinance your home loan. If you want to refinance your home loan, you may have some questions and concerns before you begin. To help you understand what refinancing is and if you should do it, we at federalmortgageservices.com have compiled a list of common questions people ask about refinancing. 1. What is mortgage refinancing? Home loan refinancing is when you replace your current loan with another under different terms. 2. Why should I refinance? Most of the time, people refinance to save money after the average interest rate on home loans have dropped. Even a small percentage decrease in your interest rate could translate into thousands of dollars saved over the life of your loan. People may also refinance to change the type of mortgage that they currently have, maybe an adjustable rate mortgage to a fixed rate mortgage, or to change the length of the loan term. 3. When is the right time to refinance if I want a lower rate? A drop in the national average interest rate below the rate that you have may mean that it's a good time to refinance. As long as your financial situation and credit score haven't declined, you are likely to refinance at a better rate than the one you have now. 4. How much will it cost to refinance? There are always fees and expenses involved in refinancing. Just know your break-even point. If you are saving every month by refinancing, but it will take you 11 months to pay off the refinancing costs, after those 11 months, you should start to see those savings. Also, know that fees and costs will vary by lender. Shop around for the right lender or broker, and once you've chosen one, request a breakdown of all the fees. You may be able to get some reduced or waived completely. 5. What is no-cost refinancing? This means that the fees and costs to refinance will either be rolled into your new loan, or your lender agrees to pay for them, but gives you a higher interest rate. Remember that, by rolling these costs into your loan, you will be paying interest on them. And if your lender is paying the costs, but offering you a higher interest rate, remember that you will be paying that higher interest rate throughout your loan term and will probably end up paying more. 6. Who do I refinance with? You could ask the bank who holds your current loan if you could refinance with them. If you're consistent in making your monthly payments, they are likely to want to keep your business and may make you a fair refinancing deal. But you should always shop around. If you want help finding lenders or brokers on your behalf, federalmortgageservices.com may be able to help. Fill out our free no-obligation quote request form and we'll go to work for you. If we connect you to lenders or brokers who want to earn your business, you can compare them and choose the best deal. Or you can work with any lender or broker that you've found on your own. The choice is yours. We want you to find the best refinancing deal possible. federalmortgageservices.com, the nationwide mortgage connection company.